let us start the new topic of the graph theory, a strongly connected graph. Let's see the definition of a strongly connected graph. A directed graph is strongly connected if there is a path from A to B and from B to A. That means कोई ऐसा वे जो A से B के होकर जाता है और कोई दूसरा वे जो B से होकर A तक जाता हो. तो इस तरीके का यदि पाथ कोई शो हो रहा है किसी भी ग्राफ में तो वो स्ट्रांगली कनेक्टेड कहेगा. जैसे लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. देयर ग्राफ इफ वी हैव टू गो A to B there is a no way but B to A is a way. That means only one direction way, so that means this is not a strongly. If we see the next examples, if we have to go to the A to C, then A to B, B to C. Similarly, we have to go C to A, C to D, D to A. That means we have to go A to C and C to A. That is the both direction involved from the pair of the vertices. That means is called a strongly connected graph. Similarly, weakly connected directed graph, that means only one direction is available, both direction not available from the pair of vertices. Let us see. There is a path from A to B and not from B to A. That means let us see the example 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to go 1 to 4 is not a way, but 4 to 1 is a way. That means similarly 2 to 3 is a available way, but 3 to 2 is not available. That means is a weakly connected graph. That's all.